I think an exchange is absolutely fundamental to the economy and the financial infrastructure of a country. You need to find capital to invest and to drive the growth of the GDP in the country. But an exchange is also a very, very important vehicle for the Gini code to spread the wealth amongst the people. So it's not just ending up in the same rich families or in the same banks that has been the history of many emerging countries. So the exchange is fundamental both for the growth and how to spread the wealth within the country. It all starts with the exchange relationship to the regulator and the law creator of the laws in the respective countries. You need to set the fundamental right. You need the capital markets law that are strong and that is protecting, for instance, minority shareholders, etc. Then you need regulations that are best practices, hopefully in synchronized with the rest of the more mature world. And then when you have all that in place, then you need technology and functions, products and services that are well known for international investors. Then you can build the exchange to a well-functioning financial institution for the country. The obvious one is always coming to mind. It is Turkey, which is really, I would say, a mature emerging market. But they are taking a lot of necessary steps. It started about 3 years ago when they really changed all the capital markets laws. They changed the regulations. Then they're taking a lot of organizational structure changes, consolidating the different types of markets, including trade and post-trade, into one entity to make Turkey accessible for international investors. Then the journey that started with us is then to change all the technology to best practices, to global known technology, to decrease all barriers of entry that it can ever make. When it comes to how it will change Turkey, I think it's the first step of making the exchange globally accessible and the market being much easier to access for international investors. I think it will help them continue their growth. They've been on a fantastic growth for many years, and it will also continue to help them spread the wealth. Actually, Turkey is the country in the world where it has spread the wealth best amongst the population in the last 10 years.